Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we're playing an indie game made in very old Unity. Wow, that looked like it was probably Unity 4. That's mega old. Anyway, I'll try that again. Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we're playing a game called 2:22 AM, and it says play at night, play alone. It's on itch.io. Interaction consists of mouse clicking WASD. Okay. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to try if you want. What? I mean, it's got that whole VHS kind of look. There is a moon. A moon right in front of us. Okay. What? Well, I'm pressing WASD. Nothing's happening. Click the mouse. Nothing. Spacebar. Oh! What the sky stole. Hey? Alright. Oh, okay. It appears to be a video. Obviously I have no control here. Alright. Must be some sort of intro sequence. There we go. Okay. A house. Oh, we're clicking to something. But nothing else seems to. Whoa! What's this? Shovel. I've dug a hole? Oh, there's that moon again. I've been here before. Well, I haven't, I can tell you that. I think I'm missing something. Am I missing something? Do I have to click to get off that? Yeah, I do. It's a field? Close my eyes. I'd rather not. Thank you. Right, so I click to get off the blue screens. Okay, here we go. We're moving now. Okay, we're moving. Right, let's see. What's down here? A big green wall. I don't get what the purpose of this is. I don't know where I'm supposed to be going. There's no guide, there's no direction. Aesthetically, it's obviously trying to pull off something unique. And I suppose it's doing an alright job of it. Okay, so this is a terrain with some hills. That's probably taken about 2 seconds to make. Okay. I'm definitely missing something. I've got to be missing something. What is that? What? Recurring daydreams. Why did that just... Did I trigger something then? What happened there? I don't get it. Oh yeah, I've got to click to get off of that. What? Right, okay, so I can move the mug. Collect colourful balls. What? I'm literally speechless. Okay, I don't think my mind is at the level to understand nor comprehend what this actually is at all. I just don't think I'm there to understand. This is beyond madness. I've got to be honest. Is this all I've got to do? Is this the game? I'm confused. What? I just changed. It's a kettle. It's a kettle. Again. Well, no, because that's only the first time. What's this? It's a shower. Guys, what is this? What on earth am I playing here? Okay, I'm in a forest. Can anyone help me? Is this a game, or is this just something to mess with my head? Huh? No, I don't get it. I just don't get it. I wonder if I can walk off the edge. I'm going to walk straight and see if I can walk off and see what happens. Is this a nightmare? Has anyone played this before? Anyone at all? If you have, please explain. Yeah, sorry for the silence. I just have no words. No words at all. Is this one of them infinitely kind of generated terrains? Or is it just huge? Because it looks like I'm coming to the end of it, but then oh, hang on. Far as we go and farther. What? Okay, I'm moving the mouse to wiggle that around, but what? I mean, do you know what this is? No? No, me neither. No, what? Is this what games have come to? Is this what games have come to? I mean, how much further have I got to go with this? You don't know. Okay. Should you see what the other keys do on the keyboard? Let me mash some keys around a bit. Oh, I've done something. What have I done? What have I done? Blooms. What the The sky's broken. Now I know that's Unity 4. Huh. Okay. Okay. I think I might be done now. I think I might be done. So mashing the keyboard seems to do things. Ooh. My phone's just buzzed. I have an email. I feel that's a little bit more interesting. No, junk mail. Okay, I'm going to mash the keyboard again, see if what happens. Oh, it did. We ended up at a Subway. Not the food chain, obviously. Now what? What is this? What is this? I mean, there's corridors that go nowhere. There is an orb. And there is light shining through. Okay, I'm going to mash the keyboard one more time. And, oh, I didn't need to. Okay. Right. What? Okay, I am officially done. I don't get it. My mind is not at the correct level of comprehension to understand any of this. This is mind-boggling. So guys, yep. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give a thumbs down if you didn't. But if you did like it, please tell me why. I'm clearly missing something here. I'm clearly missing something. Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to. Oh, I say play it, more like try it. I don't know. Yeah, I've been Jimmy Vegas, and this has been 2:22 AM. Thank you for enduring this absolute madness. See you guys later.